Can't make it into a square right now. I gotta let it harden a little, and I know you're gonna play on those words too. Moron. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. How's everybody out there? Today I am going to make...
What are you talking to?
Just whoever is watching.
Yourself?
Myself, yeah. Me, myself, and I. Today we're going to make Keto Rice Krispie Treats. So I've used these before. I made a Keto fluffer nutter. They're called Smallows, not Swallows. And the little packages of marshmallows come in little individual packs like this. So right now I have one individual pack in there. And then note to self, the last time I made a dessert with these, I didn't use all of them and they got really hard really fast. So those are going to go in the garbage. And the keto shit is expensive, so we don't want to do that.
They got really hard really fast.
Okay.
Let's go.
This is high-key puffed rice cereal.
High key or low key?
High-key, not low-key. I wish, well, they should call it low-key because it's low carb. Each serving is going to come out to about 4 grams net carbs for this dessert. And you know me, when I'm on keto, I've been really, really, really bad. So I'm trying to get back into it. I'm just going to do these like I made my Rice Krispie Treats before and see if these marshmallows melt the same. So I'm going to zap them in the microwave in 30-second increments. So this is 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so that first 30 seconds, they didn't melt much. I'm going to do it one more time so I can stir them. They look like they're ready to go home. These might be a hit. We never know. My problem with keto is sweets. Sugar, sugar, sugar is my problem.
And wine.
Wine is low carb if you pick the right wine.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, I'm sure.
And
How many
so are
bottles
those.
is low carb?
Well, I'm a two glass drinker. The seltzers are also low carb. Topo Chicos and stuff like that. White Claws and vodka sodas with lemon and lime. That's your drink. That's your alcoholic beverage.
2 glasses of wine, a vodka soda.
Oh yeah, right.
And seltzer.
Oh look, these are melting very well. Look at this. Ooh, they're really. Okay, so there's butter in there so it doesn't stick. These are kind of funky though. Oh my god, let's see if I can have these Rice Krispies in here. Let's see if this is even going to work. Okay, so that's about 2 cups. It's not as like, you don't know because you never made Rice Krispie Treats. I've made them for you, but these are a little harder to work with.
What she said.
So it's okay. These marshmallows are pretty funky. Lisa Campbell, this might be something for you to try, but Jesus. These marshmallows are a little bit more firm than regular marshmallows. And she was the one that loved the fluffer nutter thingies. I know that you think of fluffer in the other term. Okay, so I'm just going to throw this in this container because it's kind of a clump. I'm going to wet my hands a little bit. That's the secret to pressing down marshmallowy stuff. We'll just see how these taste. So this is about what it makes. Less than this little tray. You're going to be my taster because you're we don't eat keto, so we'll see if you think it tastes the same as a Rice Krispie Treat. It doesn't make much. And like I said before, keto is expensive to be made sometimes. But like I said, you get 4 little, and they even show you, I mean, I don't know if these are low carb. They look like s'mores, but I guess it with fake chocolate, which I don't like either. I'm just going to give you a little piece of taste, so. See if it tastes like a regular Rice Krispie Treat. This marshmallow melted really. Look at this. Okay, you want to trade? I'll hold the camera. So I'm going to put it right on top here. Isn't it kind of funky?
Yeah.
Let's see how gooey it is.
Yeah.
It tastes the same?
It's sticking in my mouth right now.
Okay, smile for the camera, but
It's good. I like it.
well, there you go. I mean, like I said, it's not much of a, I'm gonna try it too. It is very gooey. Very, very gooey. So it says per serving size, so I'm assuming that like the Rice Krispie Treat square, I can't make it into a square right now. I gotta let it harden a little, and I know you're gonna play on those words too, moron.
Oh, you're a pervert.
But you know what? These marshmallows are really good because they taste like a normal marshmallow. And they have vanilla in them, so I didn't, any recipe that you read for Rice Krispie Treats, it says to add vanilla. I have never added vanilla. These are vanilla flavored. I got them on Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for them. But it's very good. And it will satisfy your sugar intake. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, next week I have no idea what I'm making right now. I did see a really cool mocha coffee kind of thing. Maybe I'll try that next week for keto. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.